Okay, so good afternoon, students. Hello.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you? How are you guys?
I'm fine.
Okay. That's good to hear. Okay, so welcome back to our math class. And this afternoon, our topic will be about solving word problems on multiplication. Okay, so our last lesson was about multiplication. We know already what is multiplication and what is the sign or the symbol when we are answering multiplication. Am I right? Can you still remember what is the symbol for multiplication?
Why?
What's this? Times. Okay, very good, Mr. EQ. Okay, so when we are doing multiplication, we can see the multiplication sign. Okay, times. Okay, so we're done with the multiplication. Let us have word problems. Okay? Word problems on multiplication.
Multiplication.
Yes. So what is a word problem? Okay. A word problem, it is a few sentences, okay, describing a real life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by a way of mathematical calculation. Okay, so it is used like every day. When you buy something in 7-Eleven, okay, you are having a word problem in mathematics. Okay, you are going to know how much are you going to pay and how much will be the change for your money. Okay, so that is an example of a word problem. Okay, and now again, let us review the 5 steps on how to answer a word problem. Okay, first step, who can read the first step? Number 1, please read.
In the problem.
Okay, identify the problem. Okay, so identify the problem. We are going to look for the problem or the question. Okay, what are we looking for? What are we going to solve? Okay, what is the problem? Okay, and then step 2, gather information. Okay, please say gather information.
Information.
Okay, so gather information. What are informations? Okay, in the problem, we can see numbers. Okay, we can see numbers and also keywords. Okay, so information like given numbers, right? And keywords. Can you still remember what are the keywords? Okay, we will talk about later about multiplication keywords. Okay, so number 3, make an equation. Or the number sentence. Okay, if it is multiplication, you are going to times. Okay, and number 4, if you have already the equation, you can now start solving. Okay, you can now start doing the operation. Okay, and number 5, you have to give your answer. In giving your answer, it should be in a complete sentence. Okay, complete sentence. Not only the number, but you have to say that is about what. Okay, so what are the multiplication keywords? How will you know that it is multiplication? Okay, if you can see words like this in your problem, it may help you know that it is multiplication. Okay, so first word we have, please read the first word. Multiply.
Multiply.
Okay, multiply. What does it mean in Thai? That is, what's that? Kun, ใช่ไหม? Is that correct? Am I saying it?
Cool.
Okay. And the next word we have
Times.
times. Okay, that's right. Times. And the next word we have twice. Okay, twice. Twice. What does it mean? You have two times. Okay, it means twice, 2 times. Okay, times 2. Then next word we have multiply by. Next word, who can read the next word? Please read.
Product.
Product. Okay, product. Okay, product. That's right. If you can remember in our previous lesson, I have shown you what is a product. Okay, a product is the answer when you are multiplying numbers, right? It is the result. Okay, so we also have the word, how do you read this one? Please read. Who can read this?
Double.
Double. Okay, very good. So double, the same with twice. Okay, you have to multiply by 2. 2 times. Okay, twice, double, same. Okay, then next word we have equal groups. Okay, in multiplication, you have, you are grouping something. Okay, so it has to be in equal group. Okay, and then we have the word total and altogether. Since multiplication is a repeated addition, okay, like for example, 2 times 2, you have to add 2 plus 2, okay, so you can get 2 more. Okay, right. So it is a repeated addition. A multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay, so you can also read the word total and read the word altogether in a problem for multiplication. All right, so let us now have an example. Okay, who can tell me what fruit is this? Do you know what fruit?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Yes. Jackfruit, that's right. Okay, so our example problem. Okay, number 1. There are 122 jackfruit trees. Okay, แปลว่าอะไร? There are 122 jackfruit trees. แปลว่าอะไร?
มีต้นขนุน122 ต้น
Okay, very good. There are 122 trees. Trees แปลว่าต้นไม้. Okay, how many? 122, right? There are 122 jackfruit trees. Okay, next, if each tree has 3 jackfruits, แปลว่าอะไร? One tree has 3 jackfruits, แปลว่าอะไร?
ต้นไม้1 ต้นมีขนุน3 ลูก
Okay, that's right. One tree has 3 jackfruits. Okay, so question, how many jackfruits are there all together? Okay, so let us try to answer this one by following the 5 steps. Okay, so step 1, you have to write what is asked in the problem. Okay, what does it mean? What is the question? Okay, can you give the question in this problem? Okay.
Chance.
Question. You give me the question. Okay, so we have here the question mark. So our
many jackfruits are there?
All together. Okay, that's right. So our problem is how many jackfruits are there all together. Okay. Yes, that's right. So this is our step 1. Okay, we are looking.
Are there all together?
Okay, so we are looking for how many jackfruits. All right. So this is step 1. There's step 2. Gather information. Okay, what are the numbers?
There are 122 jackfruit.
Okay, so
Of
122 and
tea.
3. Okay, we have two numbers. Okay, 122. What is that? 122 is
122 times
the jackfruit, the number of jackfruit trees, right? So number of jackfruit trees. What about 3?
3 jackfruit.
Okay, so the number of jackfruits each tree has. Okay, one tree has 3 jackfruits, right? Can you see? Are there any keywords? Are there any keywords that you can see in the problem? Can you look for the keywords in the problem? Keyword. We have the word all together. Okay, we are looking for the total number. Okay, the total number, right? So we have now the given number and we have now the keywords. So
Times.
yes, times, that's right. So we have step 3, write the equation. Write the number sentence. We have 122, we have 3. Yes.
Times 3 equal to
Okay. Okay, 2. That's right. 122 times 3. This is our equation. Very good, Mr. EQ. Okay, next, step 4. You have now the equation, so let us solve. Okay, let us solve. Who wants to solve? Everybody.
Me.
Okay, yes, please. Okay, so let's start. 2
times 3 equals
3 equals 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, so you write 6. Next, 2 times
3 equals 6.
Okay, so 2 times 3, again we have
6.
6. Okay, next is 1
times 3 equals 3.
Okay, equals 3. So we have there, we got 366.
366.
Okay, so you finished solving. You got 366. Now for step 5, you have to verify your answer. You have to give your answer. So you have their jackfruits are there all together. So your answer will be?
There are 366 jackfruit all together.
Okay, so this will be your answer. It should be complete sentence, okay? Do not give only the number, but you have to write the complete sentence. There are 366 jackfruits all together. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so after solving, again, you have here step 4. You solve, you multiply, and then give your answer in a complete sentence. Okay, is that clear? Any question?
No.
Okay, let us have a practice. Okay, so everybody please get a paper or a notebook. Practice. Are you ready?
Okay.
I will show you a problem and then you give me the answers. Okay, so some questions I'll give 30 seconds to answer, and some questions I'll give only 15 seconds to answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
473 in the basket. Her
Bought
for
such
basket of fishes. How many fish they paid by?
Okay, that's right. Thank you. So, okay, again. There were 470 fish in a basket. Pete bought 4 baskets of fish. Okay, so how many fish did Pete buy? Okay, so step 1, you have to identify the problem. What is the question? Okay, what are we looking for? Okay, so everybody answer in 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Write your answer in the paper.
Finish.
Finished. Okay, so what about the others? I'll give 15 seconds to answer. Okay, time starts now. Answer step 1. What is asked in the question or what is asked in the problem? Okay, so are you done answering?
Okay.
Okay, so what is the answer for step 1? Can I ask Miss Floyd? Okay, can I ask Miss Floyd, what is step 1? What is the answer for step 1? Okay, step 1. Yes, step 1, the answer is, what is the question? Okay.
How many fish the buy?
Okay, again please, Miss Floyd. That's right, Mr. EQ. Very good. So step 1, what is the question? Okay, so Miss Floyd, please give your answer.
Any fish
Feed
that is buy?
Okay, very good. Thank you. So number 1, step 1, you have to write the question. Okay, how many fish did Pete buy? Okay, who got the answer step 1? Let me see who got the answer step 1. Did you answer? You answer first step 1. Okay, so this is the answer for step 1. Who got the answer? Let me see the hands. Okay, Miss Matty, correct. Okay, that's right. So step 1, you have to write how many fish did Pete buy. Okay, Peng Pao, very good. What about Miss? Okay, Angun. Okay, who else? Miss Jumper, correct. Miss Saimai, correct. How many fish did Pete buy? Okay, so what about Brooke? Do you get the answer? Did you get the answer? Okay, what about Mr. Merrick? Did you get the answer? Did you get the answer? Okay, so step 2. For step 2, what is step 2? You have to gather information. Okay, what are the numbers that you can see in the problem? So for step 2, I will give 30 seconds. 30 seconds, start now. Okay, please answer now. Step 2. Step 2. What are the numbers that you can see in the problem? Okay, Miss Euro. Answer now. What are the numbers that you can see? Later. You answer first on your paper. And I will call your name later. Okay. So what is step 2? Step 2 is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Time's up. Okay, so who can give me answer for step 2? Okay, step 2, again, gather information. Okay, you have to look for the numbers, okay, and look for the keyword. 3, 2, 1. Time's up for the second time. Okay.
Finish.
Finished. Very good. Who can give me the answer for step 2? Okay.
There are 470.
That's right. 470. We have two numbers, right? 470. What is that? Number of fish in a basket. Or you can just write fish in a basket. Okay? So write 470. And the next number you have 470 and you have, what is the other number? We have 4, right? What is 4? 4 is the number of baskets of fish that Pete bought. Okay? So 4, that is the number of baskets of fish that Pete bought. Who got the answer? Number 2. Again, step 2, you have to write the numbers in the problem. So we can find two numbers, 470 and 4. Okay? So 470, what is that? That is the number of fish in a basket. Right? And number 4, what is 4? That is the number of baskets of fish that Pete bought. Okay? Do you get the answer? So this is how you answer step 2. Look for the numbers and you have to write that. What is that number? Okay? So next, step 3 is a little bit easier than the other steps. So for step 3, I'll give only 15 seconds. Who's ready for step 3? Who is ready for step 3? Are you ready for step 3? Ready? Guys, are you ready? Okay, so step 3, you make an equation. Okay. Okay, make an equation. I'll give 15. What to do for step 3? You make an equation. Make the number sentence. Okay, time's up. Are you done?
Finish.
Okay. Who wants to give the equation? Step 3. Can I ask Mr. Merrick to give the equation?
470 multiplied by 4.
Okay, 470 multiplied by 4. That's right. Very good. Thank you. Okay, so you have now the equation. Okay, so for step 4, you are now ready to solve. Okay, so step 4, solve the problem in 15 seconds only. Okay, can do, Chemai, can do, right? 470 times 4. What will be the answer? Step 4. 1, 0. Okay. Finished? Not yet.
Finish.
Okay, finished. Very good.
No, finish.
Okay, not yet. Okay. Who's done? Who can give the answer for step 4? Okay, so for step
1880.
okay, let's try to answer. 0 times 4 equals 0 multiplied by 4 equals
0.
0. Okay, 7 times 4 equals 28. Right. Carry 2. 4 times 4
4 times 4 equals 16.
plus 2 equals
2 equals 18.
okay, that's right. 18. So the answer will be
1880.
Who got the answer? 1880. Raise your hand, please. 1880. Who got the answer? The same answer? The answer is 1000.
I am correct.
Okay, very good, Miss Euro. Very good. Go home. Okay. And Matty. Okay, next. Now you have to give your answer in a sentence. Who can give the answer in a sentence? Okay, so you have now 1880. What will be the final answer? Complete sentence starts 15 seconds. Answer. What will be the complete sentence? 6, 5. Okay, time's up. Are you done for number 5? Okay, can I ask Miss Jumper to give the answer for test step 5?
The number of fish feet by years 1,880.
Okay, very good. Thank you. That's right. Okay, who got the answer? You should write your answer in a sentence like this. Okay, thank you, Miss Jumper. So the answer will be the number of fish feet by one.
The number of fish fed by is 1,880.
Okay, the number of fish. Okay, so that is how you are going to answer. Okay, step 1 to step 5. Any question about how to solve a word?
No.
Okay, very good. So I will give you your homework. Please get your book. Your homework will be answer page 63. Okay, page 63. Letter B and letter C only. Okay, page 63, letter B and letter C only. So
What page?
page 63. Okay, letter B and letter C only. Okay, page 63. Na home math book. Okay, letter B and letter C only. Okay, so no more time. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. I hope to see you again next